Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. The news today reveals Hong Kong is the most expensive city in the world, and for the third time in a row. To illustrate this, the media gave the cost of gasoline as one measure that illustrates how expensive Hong Kong is. This is a bit of a silly measure though, because it is hardly representative of common spending by the majority of Hong Kong people, since only a minority of people here actually drive or own cars. Nevertheless, the cost of buying gasoline in Hong Kong is just over $3 per litre or $11.50 per gallon. This is more than twice the cost of gasoline in the US and in other countries. Now, because the media states gasoline prices are an expensive cost for people living in Hong Kong, my solution is simply to avoid buying gasoline. And what better way to avoid expensive gasoline prices than to drive electric vehicles? Teslas are really popular here, but I am seeing many other brands of EVs on Hong Kong roads. So for all you petrol heads or gas heads out there, avoid high gasoline prices by driving EVs. You won't regret it. That's all for now from the world's most expensive city. Thanks for watching and stay safe.